Hi there, this is Ola. Today I'm going to show you how to use Notion to capture ideas quickly and take action on them and also manage different ideas that you have in different stages. So I have this set up in a way where the ideas do compound over time. So even if you fail on an idea, you still can go back and look at the reason why the idea failed and also the reason why it succeeded. To save you the time from having to create this yourself, I would actually include the link to the template as well, so you can easily download it immediately. So let's walk through this. So the ideas themselves are in one database. So you can see the new ideas, you can see the ones you're evaluating, you can see the ones that have been successful, you can see the ones that might have failed. Um, this is actually meant to be the ideas one. I don't want you guys to see all my ideas right now. That's why I put them right there. But in the template, I will make sure that I have this set up correctly. In addition to the board itself, I also included two databases. So you have one for the success lessons and one for the failure. So if you actually click on the success, you'll see a list of all the different lessons that have been learned from different ideas. And these are related to each idea. So let's look at the Blackroot project as an example. So the successes, you can see I wrote down every single thing that I learned while building it. And this was not really inspired by anything really, but if there was, I would have put that there. And if there were any failures that I learned along the way, I would have put that there as well. So that's basically the template. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you're creating a new idea, you can just create a new idea, and I've already pre-created a template for you to evaluate the ideas. You can always change this to whatever you want, but for me, these are the principles that I like to follow when I'm creating a new idea. So you can just walk through this in a checklist, and then if they pass that first stage, then you can then move into evaluating the idea. I also have some quick notes for things that I always need that are related to ideas. So different domain names, ideas that I have, different principles that I have, the analogies I like to use for businesses so that I can get myself in the right mindset. And yeah, so different options right there. I hope this was helpful to you. Please leave your comments. Let me know if there's a question you have or if you want me to make more of these.